For homeowners in Taylor, MI, maintaining property value is a top priority. One improvement that often goes overlooked, but delivers significant returns, is window replacement. Beyond the aesthetic upgrades, modern windows improve energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. Together, these benefits can substantially raise the market value of your home. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially when it comes to selling a home. Outdated or damaged windows can make a property look older than it really is. New windows, on the other hand, give your home a refreshed and polished appearance. Style variety. Today's window options come in modern, traditional, or custom designs that complement Taylor's diverse mix of suburban homes. Instant attraction. Prospective buyers often notice the exterior first, and sleek, updated windows can make your property stand out in a competitive market. For residents in Taylor who take pride in their neighborhoods, upgrading windows is one of the fastest ways to enhance curb appeal and set your home apart. Energy efficiency and lower utility costs. Michigan winters can be harsh, and summers can be warm and humid. Outdated single-pane or poorly sealed windows often let valuable heating and cooling escape, raising monthly utility bills. Energy savings. Modern replacement windows are designed with double or triple pane glass, argon gas fills, and low-E coatings to reduce energy loss. Buyer appeal. Eco-conscious buyers in Taylor increasingly seek homes with energy-efficient features. Lower energy costs are a strong selling point that adds long-term value. A home with efficient windows can save hundreds of dollars annually on utilities, an advantage that translates directly into higher resale value. Increased home security. Safety is always a top concern for homeowners and prospective buyers alike. Older windows with weak locks or fragile frames pose a security risk. Advanced locking systems. New windows often feature multi-point locks and durable frames. Peace of mind. Buyers are more confident purchasing a home that feels secure and well-maintained. For families in Taylor, knowing their home offers better protection can be a deciding factor when evaluating properties. Noise reduction. Living in suburban communities or near busy streets means noise can impact comfort. Replacement windows equipped with insulated glass greatly reduce outside sounds. Quieter living. Improved sound insulation creates a peaceful indoor environment. Added value. Buyers perceive quieter homes as more luxurious and comfortable, which justifies a higher asking price. Low maintenance and longevity. Another factor that increases value is reduced upkeep. Older wood windows may require frequent painting, sealing, or repairs. Modern materials. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite windows resist rot, warping, and peeling. Ease of care. Tilt-in features make cleaning simple, saving time for busy Taylor homeowners. This move-in ready appeal is highly attractive to potential buyers. Return on investment, ROI. Industry reports consistently show that window replacement is one of the top remodeling projects for ROI. On average, homeowners recover 70 to 80% of the installation cost when selling. In Taylor, where buyers prioritize well-maintained, energy-efficient homes, window replacement can serve as both a lifestyle upgrade and a financial strategy. Conclusion. Window replacement in Taylor, MI, is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment in your home's future value. From energy efficiency and security to enhanced curb appeal, new windows make your property more attractive to buyers and more comfortable for your family. Whether you plan to sell soon or simply want to enjoy the benefits yourself, upgrading your windows is a decision that pays off in multiple ways.